Is your Google Nest Doorbell the battery version is not announcing on devices like Nest Mini or Nest Tab? If the alerts are not ringing inside your home on your other Nest speakers or displays, let's fix it.
Someone's at the front door doorbell.
Further, make sure all your other Nest display and speakers are connected to the same Gmail account on your home app, because this is the cardinal rule, otherwise this will never work. Now on your home app, let's go to the doorbell settings. Simply tap over this screen to this wheel icon, then go to settings, and lastly here, just toggle on visitor announcement on your other Nest speakers and displays. And that's all. From now on, your other speakers that's connected to the same Google account on your home will play the ding, show on their display, and voice announce if someone's at your door.
Someone's at the front door doorbell.
Thank you for your time.